ang ating unang fourth runner-up. To present the award, may we call in our judge number 1 and Councilor Eric 2024. Siya ay tatanggap ng cash.
Tatanggap ng cash, ng feedback, ng sash, ng crown, of course, and bouquet of flowers.
Our fourth runner-up will receive 7,000 pesos.
And it's you, candidate number number 12.
Candidate number 12 is Ronald Espina from Pumalatola, fourth runner-up.
Once again, our fourth runner-up will receive 7,000 pesos in cash. Ay, naka-check ba ito siya? A crown, and of course, bouquet of flowers, sash, and a package. And of course, maraming salamat po.
And of course, Focus Inasal and Toto Batangas. Next we have our third runner-up. To present the award, may we call in judge number 2, Councilor Raymond Samote, Councilor Patrice Ann Tenorio Malion, and EDC, only managed by Dr. Benji Torres.
And our third runner-up is Binibini number
11, Cuprina Toda, Joscado from Quezon Junior. Our third runner-up. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up. Sino kaya? Sa ating po naman 15 binibini Jumel, ang second runner-up.
The presenter of the award for the second runner-up is our very own judge number 3, Councilor Nena Botor and Councilor Cherry May Alcis Maspate.
Our second runner-up. Sino kaya ang ating second runner-up? Second runner-up is candidate number 15. Candidate number 15, Rico Villafuerte from Nahulcanola.
Magkalaban ay si number 4, number 4 at saka 7. Number 4 at saka 7.
Siyempre pa yung donor natin ng ating crown. Wala pong iba kundi si Carl Asmon. Maraming salamat po, Carl Asmon, for the crown.
15,000. Pwede na.
Hindi ko pag in-announce na natin yung first runner-up, alam na agad kung sino ang binibigyan niyo.
Oh. Well, eto na po.
Kasi po, nakita na namin yung result.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up. Our presenters, Judge number 4, Councilor Dante Alon, Councilor Board Member Ray Telenoni, and Naga College Foundation Scholarship. Okay, judge number
Judge
4.
number 4,
May
please.
pabitin factor.
Dahil ikaw ang ating first runner-up sa Binibining Tuber 2024. Mula sa candidate number 4.
Number 7 ang panalo.
Artista.
Number 7. Number 7 yan.
Eto na. Mainit na. Madaling araw na. Eto na. May scholarship pa siya from for Certified Nursing Attendant Naga College Foundation para ito sa ating Binibining Tuber. Right?
Number 7.
Eto na. Laway Sports Complex. Pibo ng Labo. Musikon Festival. Sino kaya ang tatahaling Binibining Tuber? Ngayon taon? Sino?
7!
Isigaw!
7!
Sino?
7!
Sino kaya?
Ang presenter po ng award para sa ating Binibining Tuber 2024 will be the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Harold Fernandez, Mayor Jojo Francisco, Vice Mayor Alvin Galvez Paton, Naga College Foundation Scholarship, yun po ay matatanggap, isa sa mga matatanggap na. And of course, ang magpupunta po ng corona para sa ating Binibining Tuber ay walang iba, kundi si Sherwin Ross.
Number 7. 7 na yan.
Of course, sasamahan po ni Mayor at Vice Mayor si Dr. Cathy Barcelona Reyes.
Eto na. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating bagong Binibining Tuber ay si
Number 7!
Wait, tatanggap siya na
Scholarship.
scholarship from Naga College Foundation at tumatangin
25,000 pesos.
my partner.
At bouquet of flowers, may gift package, may sash, may crown,
At may meron pa siyang ibon-ibon. Ano ba
may
ito? Eto na, isigaw nyo na ang bagong Binibining.
7!
Pero baka sumisigaw ng ano mga numbers na? Iba-iba.
7!
Dahil magugulat kayo. Magugulat kayo.
Magugulat kayo!
Partner, yes. Are
nadali. Nadali ni Alaisa.
Grabe ka na, Alaysa.
Alaisa Diyos, Alaisa